Guess me where? I bet you could never guess me where. I've always said my life is like a game of cricket, full of glorious uncertainties. And I cannot leave out the glorious because one minute I'm here and the next minute I'm over there. But of course, like I like to say, living my best life. So, anybody who can help me to get this furnace going? Yes, we have a furnace too. I tell you, child. But you would want a tour, wouldn't you? Alright, maybe I'll give you one, but not tonight. I just wanted to tease a little bit and ask the question. Guess me where? I like. I have a feeling you like too. What do you say? What are you thinking? Talk to me.